Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to group your users and jobs in the schedule by location, department, role, or any other custom selection of your choice. This organizes your view, making dispatch more focused and efficient. To start, access the relevant schedule. To create a grouping in our schedule, click on View Options, select Group By, and choose Smart Groups to automatically have your Smart Groups be the defining factor or the Custom Groups option to have more freedom. In my case, I will group users by their role in the company, waiters, bartenders, and shift managers, for example. Then add your employees to the correct groups and you're ready. Now, you can easily hide the groups you don't wish to schedule and dispatch your shifts to the employees that are visible. When dispatching, you will also have statistics per group that you can hover over and get more details about. You can also use grouping in the jobs view. In our case, we created our groups based on our shifts, morning, evening, and weekend. This way, we add the jobs that need to be assigned to each shift, ensuring we cover all our bases. For further assistance, please check our Help Center for more articles and videos. Thanks for watching!